Hello students, good morning everyone. Students, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Students, tell me, when we see any family photographs of your friends or other people or your relatives, that time how can we guess that who is the mother and who is the grandmother in that picture? Can we tell? Yes, we can tell that this is the mother or this is the grandmother. On what basis we can tell that? For that, we see the color of hair, then we see the dressing style, then we see physical structure. So on the basis of hair, physical structure, dressing style, we can tell that who is the mother and who is the grandmother. So students, in this lesson, we are going to learn about growth of a person. So our new lesson is growing up and growing old. So in this lesson, we will see how the growth takes place. Means from newborn baby to old age person. Correct? Newborn baby, then a big boy, then young boy, then old person. Like this way we will see the growth of person as well as we will see the growth of plants also. Because plants is also living things. So in plant also growth is take place like human beings. So in the lesson of growing up and growing old, we will see how growth take place in human beings and in plants also. So students, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Now students, I will show you one picture and you have to guess the family members. Means who is the mother, who is the grandmother, grandfather, son, daughter, etc. On the basis of physical structure, color of hair, dressing style, etc. So students, let's start. So students, can you tell me who is the mother and who is the grandmother in this picture? Correct. The young lady must be the mother and old lady must be the grandmother, because the young lady having black hair and the old lady is having grey hair. So on the basis of hair and the clothes, we can tell who is the mother and who is the grandmother. Correct? Now see, the another old man is there and he is holding stick in his hand and having grey hair. So that person must be the grandpa. Then another young man sitting, that must be the father. The boy sitting in the school uniform must be the son, and another young lady standing behind must be the sister. So students, you can easily identify the people on the basis of their hair, height and physical structure. Students, now we will see how the growth of baby takes place. In this picture you can see a pictures from newborn baby to old people. So student, first a little baby is born. Everyone is happy because a little baby is born. So first, that newborn baby does not have teeth. See, there is no teeth. So the mother lovingly takes care of her baby. Then she takes care of her baby. She bathes the baby every day. Then she feeds it milk when it is hungry. She sings it to sleep with lullaby songs. Okay, and slowly the baby grows. Now it does not have teeth, so mother is feeding milk. Slowly the baby grows and its weight also increases. Now as the baby grows up, it learns new things. It learns to crawl. See, in this picture you can see the baby is crawling. Okay, then mother is feeding fruit juice and vegetable soup to the baby, because baby can't eat regular food, so we should give a liquid diet only. So mother is feeding food to the baby. Then it
learns to crawl, then it gains in height and weight also, then it has a milk teeth afterward, then baby learns to stand with support, and then later he learns to walk also. So every child, that is girl or boy, learns new technique, and then the baby learns to recognize its mother. It learns to recognize other people of the family like father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, etc. So now it has a milk teeth, so mother feeds the baby rice with milk. Then gradually it begins to play with other people. It begins to speak. Whether it is a boy or girl, there is no difference in the growth of them. Okay, there is the same growth of baby boy or baby girl. So in this way, the baby start growing. Okay, whether it is a boy or girl, nature does not differentiate between the two in their growth. When they become bigger, they are not babies anymore. A little boy becomes a big boy and a small girl becomes a big girl. At the age of 6, children start school. We can see changes in them from age of 10 to 12. There is a changes in height, weight and voice also. They participate in various activity. So till the age of 18 they keep growing. So good habits, good food and regular exercise help to maintain good health. So in this way, the grown up child enters in youth and in adult stage. See here. Then until 40 years of age, a person remains fit. There is no gain in height, but weight keeps increasing. Then after that stage, the next stage means last stage is old age. So see, in old age, what happened? The body's strength decreases further. Hearing and memory become weaker. Teeth begin to fall. Okay, we sleep less. Then hair starts turning grey. Then there are various disorder. Correct? Eyesight becomes weak. So there is a changes in the body and it develops various disorders and one day death occurs. So these are the various stages. When we look at the different trees of same type, we can tell the age of tree by looking the structure of leaves, then size of trunk, height and the capacity to bear fruits. Okay, so just as people changes over a period of time, so do plants. Now see the life pattern of plant. We have seen the life pattern of man. Now see the life pattern of plant. Then what is the similarity between the life pattern of man and a plant? See, it is the same. When a seed sprouts or germinates, a new plant is produced. So first step is sprouting. Okay. Adequate water and sunlight is needed for sprouting of seed, that is called germination. You have seen that mother soaks pulses like moog, then matki and chaudi and then sprouts them. This is also called a germination. That process is called germination. So for the sprout to grow, it must take root in the soil. Only then does the seedling that grows from the sprout flourish. The seedling absorb water and some nutritious substances from the soil. The leaves begin to make food. The plant begins to grow and it gives out new leaves. It also begins to grow taller. So it's like a man only. It's a life pattern of man and that is a plant is the same. A tree must withstand the sun, wind, and rain all the time. Sometimes it is attacked by pests. This makes the tree weaker. At last, the tree trunk breaks the tree falls down. All plants die, however, the causes are different. So, students, now see what we have learned. So, see the first point. There are certain stages of growth and progress in a baby. A person grows till the age of 18. Even after the age of 40, there are changes in our body. The last stage in a man's life is old age. Changes take place in plants with time, just as they do in human beings. Starting from germination in the soil, there are definite stages of growth. Plants also grow in strength and height. Animals or plants all come to an end eventually. So, students, did you understand?